Estwing, we've been making the world's finest hammers for over 90 years, and now we've decided to reinvent them. Introducing the All-Pro, our revolutionary forged aluminum hammer. Estwing has created a hammer that is lighter than titanium with a striking power even greater than a traditional hammer. Using MV2 technology, lighter mass allows for faster swings, greater velocity. The increased kinetic energy is delivered to the head in each blow, driving in nails or striking objects. The key to our new hammer is the forged aircraft aluminum alloy body. Aircraft aluminum is the optimal material for our newest hammer, with its low density and corrosion resistance. It is the lightweight base of the All-Pro. Professionals who use hammers daily will appreciate the lightweight and the solid striking force the All-Pro provides. Merged to the alloy body is the forged steel striking cap, joined with permacap interface. The steel cap takes the punishment and delivers each blow with strength. The aluminum head holds vibration dampening shot, which along with a shock reduction grip provides the most comfortable striking tool on the market, reducing fatigue and punishment on the user's joint. Another design feature is the forged interlocking claw. The steel claw provides all the strength needed to pull, pry, and wedge any job. This is the hammer designed by the premier hammer company for professionals who use hammers. The engineering that went into Estwing's All-Pro may not be obvious until you use it. From the first swing of the day to the last, the performance will convince you. The All-Pro is the ultimate hammer. All pros need an All-Pro.
The Tileasy grout remover features a plastic handle and a tungsten carbide grip blade. Replacement blades are available. This tool is perfect for the removal of old grout from between tile joints.
Vampire Tools' mission is to bring unique and technology-driven tools of the highest quality to businesses, consumers, and do-it-yourselfers. The high quality is reflected in each tool through the material, manufacturing, and special processing used to create them. Today, we are going to talk about the all-in-one Eshears, the sharpest multi-purpose electrician shears one can find. These scissors are specially designed for cutting electrical wire, and the outer edges have a file and a notch to smooth out rough edges of electrical boxes. It also has a crimping function in between the handles. The blades are made of high-carbon alloy steel infused with molybdenum and vanadium at the edges to achieve hardness to cut metal wire. One blade is micro-serrated along the whole edge to avoid slippage. The handles are specially designed for firm grip and to ease repetitive cutting action. Ordinary scissors have virtually no tang. These shears have extended tang for durability and efficient force transfer. These are the handiest shears to have around for any electrical work. Pick yours up today.
We at KINCROME are always aiming to improve and innovate, so we took our already awesome large hook and pick set and gave them a Torquemaster handle upgrade for a better ergonomic fit, more comfort and ultimate grip. The picks are constructed from chrome vanadium steel and chrome plated for durability and corrosion resistance. Ideal for separating wire, marking and scribing metal, and removal and attachment of O-rings, bearings, springs and various other mechanical applications. The new and improved universal hook and pick set are built to last and survive even the toughest use. That's why we've included the lifetime guarantee, so you know you can trust tough, trust KINCROME.
The Craftsman MACH series line of tools provides a powerful and quick fix to life's unforeseen messes. Delivering an advanced level of speed, the new MACH Series 8-inch slide wrench combines continuous ratcheting with an adjustable slide feature. Use the slide adjustment button to quickly jump bolt to bolt, cutting project time and increasing workflow. Break away with a ratcheting feature that keeps the jaw locked in place, creating continuous driving power. Proven to be 4.8 times more efficient than standard adjustable wrenches, The MACH Series slide wrench leaves basic worm gear models in the dust. Backed by the Craftsman hand tool full warranty, the new Craftsman MACH Series 8-inch slide wrench has the ingenuity and durability that get the job done fast. That's the kind of quality and performance you can expect from Craftsman. Craftsman, made to make.
Handtools L61060 diesel filter wrench for Paccar. This is an all-metal wrench that removes and installs bowls on new Paccar chassis-mounted fuel filter assemblies. Laser-cut steel provides strength to loosen even the toughest bowls. The half-moon design allows for easier access to the fuel filter assembly. It works on fuel filters found on Kenworth, Peterbilt, and Cummins diesels. The Handtools L61060 diesel filter wrench for Paccar. Handtools, great to work with.
We're putting the future of ratcheting wrenches in your hands with the best-in-class SKX frame. A revolutionary ratcheting wrench that gives you more power with the lowest arc swing in the industry, giving you more precision and torque, even in the tightest spaces. Where traditional ratcheting wrenches use a one-pawl system with teeth cut into the wheel, the SKX frame uses 6 pawls with teeth forged directly into the body to give you more power. They work in pairs, engaging 2 opposing pawls at the same time, making it powerful enough to break free even the most stubborn bolts. Traditional wrenches require the mechanism to advance 1 full tooth in order to engage or click. The SKX frame wrench has staged pawls, so every time you advance 1/3 of the tooth, the next pair engages to give you more precision. At any given time, a pair of pawls are fully locked in with the teeth. At that same time, the next set of pawls are almost engaged and ready to secure. The last pair of pawls are unengaged. But as the mechanism continues to advance, these pawls will be ready to lock in. Having a new set of pawls lock each time the wrench turns just 1/3 of a tooth gives you finer engagement than any other wrench. This engagement system gives a total of 216 positions for the lowest arc swing in the industry. This stronger mechanism needed a stronger handle. Our patented X-frame split beam design maximizes strength, power, and comfort like never before. The new SKX frame ratcheting wrench from SK Professional Tools. Forged in America with American steel and designed to help you turn your street smarts into street knowledge.